Hello guys, in this video we will see how to change the hostname in Kali Linux. Let's connect to Kali Linux. See here, this is the hostname. Okay, let's verify. See, hostname is this one. Hostname CTL. See, static hostname is this one. You can also verify by going to /etc hosts. See, this is the hostname. We can change hostname by editing this file, or we can change by running the hostctl command. Ctrl L to clear screen. Sudo hostname ctl set -hostname. Then provide the new hostname. I am giving R2 server. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Now it has been changed. See, name has been changed, but still it is showing. Okay, close this one and open new terminal. See, now hostname has been changed and this is the username. Okay, but verify in the host file. More /etc host. See, still it is there. So to effect these changes, we have to reboot. Otherwise, you can also modify here. You have to give sudo. Now edit this one. R2 server. Save the file. Ctrl L. Now close it. Open terminal. Now verify again. More /etc hosts. See, it is changing. Q to quit. It is recommended to restart after the changing of the host name. For more Kali Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.